Today we'll mainly be focusing on bike designing. So let's start a sketching, and in between we will discuss all the basic details behind a sketching or behind designing any bike. So for reference we are mainly be taking on adventure bike. So like every bike has their own basic proportion and on their basic wheel difference. So based on that you have to be decide what wheel difference you need to choose in. So currently we are mainly taking adventure bike, so you have to take around 1.5 circle difference so that you get a right proportion behind the basic form of a adventure bike, and then trying to understand the basic proportion, that how the seat is going to be look like, and what is the angle of the trail and what is the angle of the tank. So that all the basic bullets points which need to be taken care, so that your bike is in the right in the proportion how you are trying to draw your headlight and giving a right angle, so that it could feel that it's come under a adventure bike. So as I am taking a basic, as I have already been taken the basic wheel difference and try to follow the a step based further a step based on that, so that my form is going to be right in the proportion. As I already discussed that every bike has their own proportion or own wheel difference. This is something a basic requirement to know when you are designing the bike, like what category you are basically chosen, and in that category what are the basic requirements. So as you could see, the form which I am trying to draw is same as what I draw on the side view. So I'm just trying to replicate it in 3D and trying to follow the same line and same curve based on that, so that my design not gonna be off proportionate while understanding the basic form in between, and trying to the basic main parts of the bikes. For example, the tank is one of the tank and seat, and then headlights and then tail light, they are basically one of the main part for deciding the basically character of your bike, and the way suspension you put the trail in the right angle, that also give a strong effect of which category this bike going to be lie on. So there are some of the main points. When you could follow that first and then come up with the other parts, your proportion will always get right, and you could easily jump to next stage, so that your design get refined always further ahead. And that is something which makes you very much strong in the terms of designing or in terms of visualizing something new. So proportion is something which is very important, because if you not understanding something in right in proportion, your always imagination get lost in between, because the how much accurate you are, that much is easy to ideate further on that. So as you could see, the almost all the details is coming out, that how it's basically going to be look like, and then we will be jump to the little bit of coloring of it, so that we could decide that how the basic depth of the bike is look like. So as you could feel that the form is almost done from my side, and this video is not that much detailed oriented regarding the bike designing. In maybe in upcoming videos I will definitely put much more depth knowledge about how you could jump to the ideation stage. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and wait for the next video. Thank you.